You could roll and go like this. I'm ready for the cart.
Oh!
I'm spinning.
All right, guys, we're very excited to be here today in the brand new Braille house. We're just gonna say that in every video until it gets old. Yeah, at least for a whole year. 2020, we're gonna be saying it every video with special guest, Luke Eisenschauer. What's your name,
Luke
actually?
Eisenberg.
Luke Ike, actually.
Ike? No, the full name, dude.
Luke Ike. You know my middle name's Keikoa?
What?
Is that what that brand
Keikoa
is after?
Ike.
Kikoa?
It means warrior in Hawaiian.
Dude, that's badass.
What, you from
You
Hawaii?
see my ID?
No.
Yes.
And we got a very special prize for the warrior in Hawaiian. Knee blades, dude! Use knee blades for installing ceramic tile, wood floors, install carpeting, concrete and masonry work.
We
This
really-
is not for freestyle tricks.
Really could have used this to build the skate park.
To be honest, we would have been done with the skate park months ago.
Yeah.
You guys could have lots of videos, but no, we didn't have freaking knee blades. Sorry, I would never hit you.
Why are you so violent?
I'm not. No, I know. It's okay. It's like when I was growing up as a skater, I was always the youngest, so everybody was hitting me, so now it's Luke.
If I opened these for Christmas, I would be so hyped.
Merry Christmas, this is what we got.
This is your gift. You can keep them after the video.
Thank you.
Dang, dude, those look insane.
I could not imagine someone working.
Hey, they look like, what are they called? The face crawlers from Alien on his knees.
Yeah, that's kind of true. Yeah, I was also thinking they look kind of like the Mandalorian armor.
Not sure what that is.
What? Get out. Gabe, you know what I'm talking about?
I know what you're talking about. I haven't
You
watched
have
it.
not seen it?
No.
Go home tonight.
I have Disney
and
Plus, but
watch
my
it.
mom has been watching it on my Plus.
I don't have Disney Plus. I can't like
My mom and grandma have been watching it.
The Mandalorian?
Yeah.
No wonder you can't do a Baby Yoda meme. You need to watch it.
Dude, why haven't you baby?
I don't have Disney Plus. I'm not rich.
No, you don't need to have Disney Plus to do a Baby Yoda meme. You just need to do a Baby Yoda meme.
Mandalorian is standing there and Baby
All right,
Yoda!
take a roll, Luke.
Hey, I thought we were doing a thumbnail.
We are after this.
Go ahead.
Go ahead, come in hot. That is sick.
That's pretty cool.
See if you can go over the A-frame.
Yes.
With this?
No, wait, you know what? Try using
without
one. Using one will be easier.
Kick it into high gear, Luke. Let's go.
Hey, I need a tug.
This is dangerous. Whoa! Here's the goal. First, jump down and knee slide into the mini ramp.
Okay.
You gotta get used to some transition. Then we'll go to the bigger quarters.
So we're going first?
Then we'll go to the then we'll go to the mini quarters, and then he's gonna tug you into the wall ride.
Oh, dude.
Did that hurt?
No, not really.
Wow. First try. All right, to the forefoot.
Yeah, they just don't stay on very well.
This is not what I meant to do.
What were you trying to do?
Trying to push it over there.
Okay, all right. Now, here you go. Ready? Now go, run up, jump, and then do a 180 and roll.
Hold on.
I feel.
I got even another idea.
Hardcore. Dude,
Bro.
literally get soap shoes and then those, and you could like jump,
Yeah.
grind the rail, land on your knees.
No, like imagine. Oh, look here. I got you. Get a board
Put
up
roller
there,
skates on your head.
and then jump off your board down the downhill manny,
You could
and then
roll.
land on another board.
You could roll and go like this, and just use your hands on a skateboard.
That was amazing.
It doesn't really hurt at all.
That's sick.
I kind of cheated, but
Because it looks like it hurts like real bad. With style. He had so much speed.
surprisingly it does not hurt at all. It's like satisfying.
All right, I'm ready for the cart.
Hey, let's tow him. Let's tow him. Oh, wait. roll up switch, and then 360.
Huh?
I could
Let's
try.
see how high you can get. I want the knee blades to go above the B.
Hey, I gotta get a slow-mo of that, please.
Yeah,
It feels so silly right
that
now.
was sick.
It's like I'm bailing but landing. That's pretty cool.
Isn't that sick? Here, there's some motivation to send the rest of the video. Oh my god! You gotta lean back.
I think I would have landed on that side. Like, it would have been fine.
Yeah, he would have been fine.
Alright.
You gonna send it?
Yeah, let me throw one.
He said, "Let me throw one." Here it is. Yes! Yes!
I can do it again. It's actually not that scary.
I'll get another angle.
Okay.
We're knighting him pro after this video.
This is why I love the Braille house. There's nowhere else that you could do this, and there's just nothing that, you know, we got these, and I was like thinking, there's no way you can do anything on that. What, are you gonna just roll around on flat? And then 10 minutes later, he's airing from that into that. That's insane.
Yes.
So good.
That was amazing.
Now you gotta go the other way.
You know, it'd be gnarly if you pulled me and I cleared this gap. Like if I launched off the gap. You know the worst part about all of this? Is it actually looks pretty sick,
right?
Watch.
That's the best thing I've ever seen.
I'm gonna make a sponsor me tape.
Go to the top of the deck and just stand up there. No,
Just literally just stand up there and then jump in.
just stand up there and look at it. How does that look?
Oh my.
No actual way.
What if you just land on your feet and then go to your knees?
Can you jump in from there? Really? You gotta do a 180.
Yeah, he's gotta do a 180.
Okay.
Things we do to this guy.
Hey, he's the pro kneeboarder. Let him work.
Let him work.
Here, let's tow you on the crazy cart for a little while. Let's get you some inspiration.
You're like the jaws of keyboard.
That was it. I saw it. I could see it in my eyes.
You just land like right here.
I'm ready.
Wait, I feel like I'm gonna hit you.
I'm gonna peel out.
Oh god.
It's like, wow, out of all the stuff that he's done, finally we find something that scares him on the knee blade.
I'm very scared, but I just don't think about it quick enough, and then it happens. Then
All right. So start running before you start thinking. There you go.
that was like a bail.
No, that was a land.
Is that a bail? So steezy. So much.
He's throwing
You're
another one.
tossing another one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh! Oh my gosh.
I need a little more speed. Like I can go kind of higher.
Now you're speaking my language. You ready?
Yep.
You nailed it! You nailed that!
It's really not that scary, honestly.
Yeah, not at all. I do it all the time. It's not a big deal. What now, Bungie?
That's pretty cool, not gonna lie.
All right, take him around, Dan. Hold on tight, Luke.
Oh
I was gonna whip you into the wall.
Wow, did we just invent the funnest thing ever?
You wanna go into that?
Sure.
It's too sketch with like all this stuff here. I don't know how you can even get out.
Try to do the full circle spin. Luke, your mission is to hold on as long as you can without letting go.
He's gonna spin around.
Yeah. Hey, you gotta tuck in your elbows, Luke. Pull yourself in.
I'm spinning. I think I need more speed.
Dude, I'm so dizzy right now. That's kind of a workout. Now they're starting to hurt.
Dude, you're like the Bob Burnquist of knee blades.
We gotta launch a mini mega.
We should take him to the mega ramp. Yes. Run across and go on your feet and then go to feet. Go on your knees to feet. Across there.
Start on the 5 stair. Slide across to flat here.
Oh, onto flat?
Or onto here.
You want me to go from there to flat? I won't even do that on a skateboard. Like laying back on my knees?
No, but land on your feet.
Not under your knees. Like, how does he not understand this?
I don't know.
We explained it like
I could throw one of those too.
Oh! Yeah! Now go straight to flat. There you
If I
go.
landed back on my board.
Dude, no, that would be sick. Landing back on his board. Rebate. Oh, you good?
Oh, I clipped.
Oh.
Good thing I got knee pads on. Ah, they're broken. I was trying to do a 360 for Dan.
Oh!
What's up?
thy professional knee boarder. You have done it. Pro model knee blades will be coming soon. Leave it in the comments below if you would buy Luke's Pro model knee blades. I already pre-ordered a pair, but leave your comment in the comments below and let us know. And tell Luke, hey Luke, maybe you should just stay in the Bay Area and skate with Braille skateboarding.
Let me know.
Check out all the videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, even you can learn how to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Look at this dude, he's about to go.
Ah!